Wakeboard.
I want a black, blue, and white one.
A black, blue, and white one.
Yep, with a continuous edge curve.
What does the continuous edge curve do?
It's like one of the best ones. It's best for like carving and going off the wakes and double ups and all that.
Now, Aiden, what kind do you want?
A pink one.
A hot pink one?
No, I'm kidding.
Really? Where do you guys think you'll be able to ride it?
Daddy got a bow! Daddy! Oh my God, you guys got a bow!
Don't run towards it.
You guys got a boat?
Aiden!
You guys got a boat?
Do you like it?
Yeah, don't we like it? What type of boat is that?
It's a Mastercraft, exactly like you wanted.